Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to zoom in Premiere Pro. So the first step is to add your video on your timeline. You can do this with videos, photos, or whatever you want, and then simply tap on it like this. And here on the left side, as you can see, I have my effect controls. And what you have to do is simply move around this slider here and set the position where you want to start to zoom in. So let's say at this part here, I want to zoom in. So after you position this slider here, you'll have to click on this little icon. And as you can see, you'll have this uh, icon here on the timeline. And then what you have to do is simply move like this. But before that, make sure to make one for scale too, and then you can move a little bit this slider on the timeline, and then here you'll have to increase like this. Now if you want to zoom like in the corner, you can move around uh, this here. Then as you can see now, if we go back and play the video, as you can see, the zoom starts. And of course, if you want to make this faster, you'll have to simply select these two uh, keyframes and then simply move them closer to the first ones like this. So as you can see, it's way faster. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.